I have never cooked one day in my life. You're gonna feel your beef on every side of it. Don't be, oh yeah yeah. And then lobster head here. So let's put the lobster up here. Oh, listen. I think that could be my guess. Let's see. Let's see.
Hey Tom, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. First I want to say congratulations on your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to follow your YouTube channel. So what everyone needs to do is subscribe to Tom Peng. Great guy, great person. Tom, keep up the great work.
Hello? Hi?
Hi.
Are you here? I guess so, I can see you. Okay, I'll open the door for you, hang on. I think she will be like so surprised that, you know, that I could cook so good, you know? Like, let's just, oh shit! Hey! Come on in. Come on in.
Hi.
All right. You know what we're doing today, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you know?
You invite me for lunch.
Yes, I invite you for lunch. Yes. Come on in. Yeah, just come in, just come in. Just come in and take your shoes off. Okay, close the door. Curtain. All right, come on. The food, just you. Nobody wants to eat what I make, so it's gonna be just you. Okay, choose your side. You choose this side, choose this side. Okay, wonderful. Okay. Have a seat, have a seat. Don't be shy. Would you like some wine or cognac or
I have
beer?
Water, please.
Let me get you water.
All of it?
Yeah, I did all of it by myself. There you go, water. All right. Mystery dish A, mystery dish B. You can still change if you want mine. You know, okay. From this one, you can take it. So
No.
I want you
I
to.
have no idea with it.
I want you to tell me what you think about the presentation first. All right. So you're gonna open this dome, and then you're gonna tell me what you think about this dish that I made for you. Okay? Please open.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Give me the dome. Give me the dome. So allow me. This is fish head. I don't know what kind of fish. And this is a chicken fillet. You know, chicken breast. It's very good. I don't want to show you that yet. So and this is drumstick and Canadian lobster claw. Right? We also have some German sausage here and 2 green vegetable balls. I don't know what they are. So what do you think about this dish? What do you think?
I have never seen something like that before.
Never?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be wonderful. Okay, so that's dish number 1. Would you like to open dish number 2? Can you open that?
Okay.
So, what do you think about this dish? So we have some noodle and you know, lobster head, lobster claw, and lobster tail. All right, and this is like a steak. I believe it's medium, and some shiitake mushroom here, and here are some you know, quail eggs. But just to let you know, the quail eggs are not cooked, so don't eat them. All right.
Wow.
So let me just show you what that looks like. All right. Well, that looks so wrong.
Crazy.
Looks so wrong, right? Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Which one do you want to enjoy?
Actually, I don't like fish.
Okay, so I take that one. Okay, and you take this one. Okay, all right. So please dig in, and I want to know how you like my cooking.
Okay.
This is the
Can
first
I
time.
ask one question.
Yes. Yeah.
Have you ever cooked before?
No, that's the whole point. I never cooked before, not in my life.
I'm hungry, so I take the meat first.
Okay, she's gonna have the steak.
have.
No. I wanna. Yes, you cut it. Oh look. I wanna show you how amazing this is, right? So this is like, whoa, like this is truly like medium rare-ish. Okay, look at that cut of meat. Oh, it's wonderful. Okay, that piece of meat is wonderful. Try it. Put it in your mouth.
Okay.
Put it in your mouth. See how it goes. You like it? What does that taste like? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try some. This looks so good. Look at that. Look at that cut of meat. Look at that cut of meat.
Good, but I think it's
No but. There's no
too
but.
much pepper.
It's so good. It's so good. What are you talking about? You have
I
to-
don't like pepper. Pepper a lot.
That's what it's supposed to be. It's like pepper steak, okay? It's so good. Now please try something else. Try the lobster tail maybe. Oh, the mushroom. The mushroom. Do you like mushroom? Whoa, that was good. That was good, right?
Yeah.
Now, do you know what's in it? What I put in the mushroom?
Pepper, salt,
Everything.
soy sauce.
It's got beer, it's got cognac, it's got wine, it's got pepper, garlic, salt, everything. Everything you can think of, it's in there. It's so flavorful. Oh man, I should start a restaurant. No, actually, that's a bad idea. Don't do it. Okay, can you try the lobster tail? I think it's very good. Oh, so good. Is it good? Really, tell me the truth.
It's good.
It's good.
Better than this one. This one is a little bit salty.
Apparently the mushroom is a bit salty, okay? Would you like to try some of the noodles? Tell me what you think about the noodles. No feeling? I think you're right. I think it's there's not enough flavor. I think I forgot to put in salt, or there's not enough flavoring in the noodle. The noodle's bland, right? It's like
Plain,
no flavor. No. Yeah, not enough salt. Come on, the steak was good. It was good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
That's for you.
Honestly, I think the steak is really good. I think I could have this whole steak by myself. It's not a guccio, but you know, like it's actually pretty damn good. Like I would pay like $1 million for the steak in a restaurant. I think it's so good. And the lobster tail, so good. This is awesome. I think I made it perfect. And then shiitake mushroom, I think it's great.
I like this one the most. The lobster.
You like the lobster tail, right? The lobster is so good. I think the shiitake mushroom was also awesome. Huynh thinks it's too salty, but I can eat this whole thing by myself. So good. Oh fuck, the flavor is so good. Okay, forget that dish. Let's try this one. Try this one. So in this dish, it looks really busy, but there's some egg noodle. It's probably not very good. Fish head, you haven't tried. Lobster claw, chicken thigh. Grilled to perfection. Look at the coloring on the chicken, right? It's so good. And we have this German sausage, right? German sausage, right there. And also we have chicken breast. I tenderized it. I really tenderized it, so it should be really, really tender. Try everything. Let's start with the German sausage, right? We have to like break this down. This is like such a complicated dish, right? So, would you like to try? Like, come on, let's try. Give me your knife. Give me your thing. Let's try this. Tell me what you think about the German sausage. Lost for words? You don't know what to say? So, I don't know what to say. I cannot say it's bad. But seriously, tell me the truth. I want the truth. I want the truth.
It's normal, but it's a little bit bitter outside because
Oh.
It's burned.
It's not burned. It's not burned. It's intentional. It's like perfect. It's like a little bit, you know, a little bit burnt to give it, you know, that extra flavor. Just a little. Come on. I think it was great. I think it's awesome. So, what do you want to try next? You want to do the thigh or the fillet or the claw or the fish head? You want to do the thigh, right? All right. Give me your. Okay. Let's see. Well, it would have been better if you come earlier. It would not be so cold. But anyways, try this piece. But be careful what you eat. Maybe a little bit raw. So just to show you, it's still raw inside. So I would say this is not a pass. I would not eat this. So just try a little bit. Try the cooked part. Like, see if it's good. I think it's good. What do you think?
Too many flavor in my mouth, I cannot say.
Too much flavor in her mouth. Let's try the fillet. Let's try the fillet. Oh, no, try this part. Try this. Oh, this is chicken skin. It's crispy on the skin, and as you can see, it's well cooked, so it's perfect. But let's see how it tastes. What do you think about the fillet?
I like this one more.
You like this one better, right? Well, first of all, I tenderized it. Normally, like chicken fillet is dry and tough, right? But this is so tender, right? Like, I want you to have another piece. This is chicken breast, but it tastes like drumstick. It tastes like dark meat, and it's so tender and juicy because I tenderized it, right? I put like basil leaves. I put everything on this thing. This is so flavorful. Oh, so good. You know, seasoning can do so much to anything. We put the right seasoning, it'll make anything taste great. What do you think?
I like it.
Wow, I like it too.
I have more.
You want more? Okay. This last piece is yours. I think the beef is awesome. Let me just show you. Look at the coloration. Look at the coloration. Oh man, look at that. It's like perfect. Charred on the outside and still red. Still like pink red inside. It's exactly what you would get in a fine steakhouse, like a high scale, like high class steakhouse. That's like what you would get, right? This is so good. I can't believe I did that, right? And then, yeah, I'm just blowing my own trumpet, right? I will do this one myself. You have the big one, I have the little one. You know, it took me like a lot of effort to crack it, you know? Look at that. Look at that piece of meat. Oh, shit. So good. Good, right? Yeah. Who says I cannot cook? I can cook just fine. I can cook better than most people. And I never cooked before. We're gonna try the fish head, all right? What? What?
Look scary.
Yeah, it doesn't look too good. Look at that. It doesn't look too good. I'm gonna take this piece, right, and try it. Give me your knife. Try that. Oh, it's a bit red. Why is it still red?
I don't think I should have that.
Okay, it's maybe not cooked enough, but try this one. Oh, she's having my claw. She's like, she won't stop like chewing on the claw. Obviously, it's a success. So good. We're not finished yet. What do you think about the fish? Whoa, where you go? Obviously, the fish is not that good. No, the fish. No, the fish is terrible. It's not cooked. Sorry. Okay, come in. So, didn't like the fish.
No.
Did you throw up? No, the fish, I admit, it's not that good. Okay, so no fish. Fish done.
You didn't put any flavor on this one.
No, there's a lot of flavoring. The problem is it's not cooked. Okay, what can we conclude? The lobster tail was good.
Yes. Mushroom
Mushroom was good.
and
Steak was good.
steak.
Okay.
The chicken part.
The fillet was good.
Yes.
The drumstick was raw, not cooked enough. The fish head was not cooked enough. The noodle did not have enough flavor. Anyhow, so that is my first time cooking lunch for someone. It's you.
Thank you.
Oh, and
Thank you for enjoying your first.
oh, you're welcome. And also, just so that you know, like people recognize me on the street because I have this YouTube channel and TikTok channel, and people actually come to me and say, hey Tom, oh I see you on TikTok, right? So people actually starting to recognize me on the street, and people also recognize her because she is in a lot of my videos, and but they call me Tom, and they call her the goat penis girl. That's the goat penis girl, all right? That's her name. That's how they recognize her, because she's in my goat penis video. Check that one out. Okay, take fucking action and don't be a fucktard. You can do anything you want, even like for me, cooking.